What's up guys, Joey here of YugaTech, and within a few months after the Realme 3 series came out, we already have the refreshes, the Realme 5 and this one, the Realme 5 Pro. So let's take a look, but first let's see what's inside the box. First up, we get a smaller box that as usual contains the included case and some paperwork. Then we have the phone itself, underneath which we find the SIM ejector tool, VOOC charger, and USB-C cable. So looking at the device, up front, the Realme 5 Pro has a 6.3-inch IPS display with a resolution of 2340 by 1080. On the top portion of the display, we find the small water drop notch that contains the front-facing camera. The screen's pretty bright, colors are nice, and images and text are fairly crisp. At the back, we have the protruding quad rear camera setup, the fingerprint scanner, and of course an LED flash. On the right side, we have the power button, while on the left side are the volume rocker and card tray with slots for 2 nano SIM cards and a dedicated microSD slot. And down at the bottom are the USB-C port, speaker, microphone, and headphone jack. Under the hood, the Realme 5 Pro has a Snapdragon 712 chipset coupled with an Adreno 616 GPU, up to 8GB of RAM, and 128GB of internal storage. For battery, it's a 4035 mAh cell with support for VOOC flash charging. For software, of course, it's ColorOS 6 on top of Android 9 Pie. Checking out the cameras real quick, at the back we have a 48 megapixel main, 8 megapixel ultra-wide, 2 megapixel dedicated macro, and a 2 megapixel depth sensor. Up front we have a 16 megapixel selfie shooter. For now, check out these sample photos. Pricing for the Realme 5 Pro has not yet been announced. It'll be out on October 3, so stay tuned for that as well as our full review. So what do you guys think about the Realme 5 Pro? Let us know in the comments down below, and if you enjoyed this video, please do drop a like, subscribe to our channel for more content, hit the bell icon so you don't miss new future uploads, and be sure to visit YugaTech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. This has been Joey, and I'll see you guys in the next one.